I didn't really vlog today just because I didn't really do anything interesting. I just shoveled the snow out of the driveway again. I did that twice, one at 9 AM, one at 4 PM. Yeah, and I was really tired, so I just didn't really do anything. What will I be doing tomorrow? Tomorrow I will be going to Yongcha and hopefully I can get a bit of shopping done. I might take you guys outside again tonight. Let me take you guys with me. Let's go. Right now I'm just like a ninja, all black, because I'm gonna go out and shovel some more snow. So yeah, I'll see you guys outside. So now all my relatives are shoveling the snow together. It's a family reunion. Well, not really. Yeah. Look at all that. And I don't have to do anything because there are no more shovels. So I'm just gonna... I don't have to do anything.
喂，璇璇影喎，影埋佢哋，我都識做啊！喂，影埋佢哋啦，我同埋佢哋一齊做啊，睇唔睇到啊？哇！喂，阿妹，你喺邊度做啊？呢度，喺呢度。誒，都睇唔到阿妹，阿妹。嗱，呢個咪阿妹咯。嗱，我都識做啊。嚟，香明，嚟呢度做。你啊，扮下嘢嘛。 好，璇璇，俾你扮下我幫你影。嗱，我幫你影嚟。
哦，呢個好。
嚟。
哦，係啊，係你俾佢扮啦，係你俾佢扮。
等我得我。
We're just ordering what we want for Yumcha, and because we came early, we need to pick it.
點解我啲
So what are we?
蝦角唔見晒嘅？
We're getting a siomai and
I don't know.
邊個係邊個都睇唔到。
咩啊？呢個咩啊？
乜嘢？
糯米雞。
糯米雞。
Do you want that? I don't need it.
唔要。
Okay.
糯米雞 is
鳳
sticky
爪唔
rice。
要。
白鳳爪有冇啊？
有。Do you want?
要啊。
What else？我個蝦角唔見咗咧。
特產依間嘢嗰啲。
我蝦角我冇咗。
唔係你嗰個乜？
喺度。
炒米粉。
We got 鳳爪、燒米、叉燒包同埋蝦餃。
牛腸。
哦，呢度有牛腸。
係啊，仲有啊，頭先呢個好。
So we're walking around Chinatown, but like a lot of shops aren't even open yet, which is kind of sad.
11:20.
Yeah, it's 11:20, and we have an hour to kill in Chinatown. But we just went to buy some buns.
No, we just go back there.
I don't know where I'm going. Oh, I'm gonna buy lapchang now, which is how do you say that in English?
Chinese barbecue.
Chinese sausage for zhong, or you can just make it with fried rice. Yeah. Weather report. It's not that cold. Yeah. And maybe I'm gonna get some bubble tea later. We're looking for things again. I'm not sure what. Thank you. We're just shopping around. Walked into this shop. So, scarves and stuff. Now, I'm about to go to IKEA. This IKEA is massive. Look at that. Just walking around IKEA. it's exactly the same. Like, I'm pretty sure all IKEAs around the world are exactly the same. Anyways.
Oh, I should take a paper to write down what I need.
Except everything's in French and I cannot.
Oh, you got English, I guess.
We have English? Oh yeah, a little bit.
Well, that's fast.
We will produce more and ship faster, but we never ever compromise on quality.
I want to buy this one.
It's a nice bottle.
What's that? You
So-
can take one and then just print it large.
I'm walking around IKEA and guess what I see? Ta-da! It's the picture that most people have. Well, I see a lot of people have this. And I wish I could take it back, but I don't think they'll let me on the plane with this. Yeah, so I'm gonna buy this. This is a Christmas card set. And I'm gonna be writing cards soon. Like, I'm not the type to write cards, but I think I should, at least.
Yeah, just send it to
Yeah.
your friends.
Yeah.
Do you remember their address?
No. I need to look for 2048. But everything's in French, but I need to look for 2048 because I'm gonna buy this thing that I'm gonna buy. 2048. 45. Oh, here it is. 2048. This doesn't look like what I want to buy. I wanted to get like this coat thing. Every time I go to IKEA, it reminds me of Monsters Inc. Like where all the doors are kept. I don't know, it's just got this factory feel. Well, it's kind of a factory, right? Yeah. So yeah. Yeah, right now we're just gonna walk to the cashier and pay for the things that we bought. I mean, it just looks like cardboard right now, but we've got a few things. And then we're out. No. I might get some ice cream as well. Looks like ice cream, doesn't it? Wrong! It's frozen yogurt, and it was only $1.15. And the hot dogs here are only 75 cents, plus 15% tax. But, looking forward to eating this. I'll see how this compares to the Australian IKEA ice cream. I mean frozen yogurt. It tastes really sweet. It doesn't taste like yogurt at all, but I think the Australian one's better still. So these are the things that we've bought. That, and I'm just waiting for my cousin to drive here so I can unload the things in the car. So it's come to that time of the night where I say good night to you guys. I've just been editing the vlog from today, and today's vlog was a little bit longer because I missed out on yesterday's vlog. And yeah. Oh, and right now my cousin, she is fixing mirrors. No, what? Installing mirrors? Because yeah, she bought the mirrors. So the cardboard thing that you thought you saw, they were actually mirrors. Yeah. They were $14.99 each, so 2 for $30, which is pretty cheap considering that there were others that were like $50. So yeah. Oh, ow, hit my head. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.